How to update Yahoo Mail app on iPhone. Updating it can fix bugs and improve performance. Let's go through the simple steps to update Yahoo Mail on your iPhone. Open your App Store. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data for the update to download. Tap onto the search icon. On the search interface, type Yahoo Mail on the search bar. Click on first result. If any update is available, you will see an update button next to the app. Tap update and the new version will begin downloading. If you only see open, your app is already up to date. Once the update is finished, tap open to launch the latest version. Enjoy improved features, fixed bugs and better performance. And that's it. Your Yahoo Mail app is now updated and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.